Video editing has never been easy than now. Imagine being able to record and edit your faceless video all in one place without having to go from one tool to another. Initially, when making my videos, especially for my faceless channels, after writing the script, I will use AI voiceover tools like 11 Labs for voiceover, and we use CapCut for the video editing. And most times I use many other tools for animations, captions, and other things. But this AI tool I'm about to reveal to you will save you the time and the cost of buying different AI tools and also the time of editing. Because with this AI tool, you can edit your video, screen record your video, add automatic subtitles, add motion effects, and lots more, even talking avatar with hand movement, all in one place. I'm talking about Focusee AI, an AI smart screen recording tool designed for educators and tutorial creators who want to make high quality videos without spending hours editing. Without wasting time, let's go into how it works. So first, you have to download the Focusee software. It's available for both Windows and Mac OS. Once you are done downloading, go ahead and install. Doesn't take much time, and once you are done with the installation, you will be brought to this page. You will need to sign up for a free account using your Gmail or Google account with that done. Let's go into how to use these tools for your faceless YouTube channel. When you first open Focusee, you get this super clean, simple interface. There are no confusing menus or a million buttons staring back at you. You really just have two main choices: what to record and what devices to use. First up, the recording mode. You can capture your full screen, drag a custom sized box, or record a specific app window, which is perfect for keeping the focus only on the software you're demonstrating. Easy enough. Next, the device setup. This is where you pick your microphone and webcam. Now, since we're making faceless videos, you've got options. You can just leave the camera off, which is what I usually do, or Focusee does have features to blur, remove, or replace your webcam background if you want to be on camera, but keep your messy office private. For a true faceless video though, just make sure that camera toggle is switched off. But here's the feature that I absolutely fell in love with. It's a total game changer for sounding confident, even when it's just your voice. The built-in teleprompter. You can literally copy and paste your script right into Focusee, hit play, and it scrolls on your screen as you record. You can adjust the speed to match your natural speaking pace, change the font size, all that good stuff. This one feature means you never have to memorize lines or sound like you're reading off a piece of paper. It helps you get a smooth, confident take every single time. It's one of those things you don't realize you need until you have it, and then you can't imagine living without it. So I've picked my screen area, my camera's off, my mic is selected, and my script is in the teleprompter. All that's left is to hit that big record button, and you are live. The second you finish and hit the stop button, you're taken into the Focusee editor. And this, my friends, is where the magic, and I truly mean magic, happens. The AI has already analyzed your entire video. You don't have to click analyze or wait for it to process. It's instantaneous. The first thing you'll notice is your video isn't just a boring, static recording anymore. Play it back and you'll see Focusee has automatically added smooth zoom and pan effects. It intelligently figures out where you're clicking or where the action is happening and creates dynamic movement to follow it. Anyone who's ever tried to manually keyframe a zoom in Premiere Pro or Final Cut knows this can take hours. You have to set a start point and end point, mess with the easing, get the timing just right. It's a pain. Focusee does all of that for you in seconds. And it doesn't stop there. The AI also focuses on your cursor. By default, it adds a neat spotlight or highlight effect, making it super easy for viewers to follow along. And you can customize this completely. You can change the cursor style, make it bigger, and choose from a bunch of click effects like a ripple or a ring to make every click visually satisfying. This is so critical for tutorials because there's no question about where you're clicking. The video already looks 10 times more professional and I haven't done a single thing. This is the core promise of Focusee delivered. It takes the most boring, repetitive parts of editing and just does them. Okay, so you might be thinking, but what if the AI gets it wrong? What if I want to zoom somewhere else? That was my biggest worry too. I love automation, but I need to be in control. This is another area where Focusee really shines. The AI does the heavy lifting, but you're still the director. Every single AI effect is fully customizable. On the timeline, you can see exactly where Focusee added a zoom. Don't like it? Delete it with one click. Want to change where it's looking? Just drag the focus box on the screen. Want to add a zoom where the AI didn't? Just click Add Zoom on the timeline and place the box yourself. It's that simple. This customization extends to the whole look and feel. On the left, there's a panel for branding and style. This is where you make the video yours. Focusee has a library of beautiful, pro-looking backgrounds, from simple gradients to stylish office scenes. You can also upload your own background to match your brand. You can adjust the padding, add a border, and even round the corners for a softer, more modern vibe. This mix of smart automation and easy control is what makes it so powerful. The AI gets you 90% of the way there in seconds, and then you spend a few minutes making the final creative tweaks to get it to 100%. You're not starting with a blank, scary timeline, you're starting with a nearly finished product. Beyond the visuals, Focusee has a few more awesome AI tools for that final layer of polish. First, AI-powered captions. With one click, Focusee transcribes your entire video and generates synchronized subtitles. We all know how vital captions are for accessibility and for people watching on mute. The accuracy is great, and you can easily edit any words the AI might have misunderstood. Next is audio enhancement. The tool has built-in noise reduction to clean up your audio, cutting background hum and making your voice clearer. It can even automatically find and remove silent pauses and filler words, which tightens up your delivery and makes you sound way more professional. Once you're happy with it all, it's time to export. Focusee gives you all the options you need, letting you export in up to 4 Kelvin's resolution and 60 frames per second for that crystal clear quality. You can also pick from preset aspect ratios for different platforms, whether it's a 16:9 YouTube video, a square for an Instagram post, or a vertical video for TikTok or Shorts. The export is fast, and in minutes, you have a finished, professionally edited video ready to upload. So, to think back, I went from spending 6 hours editing one 10-minute video to creating a fully polished, engaging, and professional tutorial in under 15 minutes. I just record my screen with the teleprompter, let the AI automatically add all the cool zooms and cursor effects, make a few quick tweaks to the background, and hit export. That's my entire workflow now. Focusee totally transformed how I make content. It automated the most frustrating parts of video creation, which lets me focus on what I actually enjoy, sharing ideas. It made the process fun again, and I'm not kidding, it saved me from quitting. If you've ever felt that same frustration with editing, or if you've wanted to create faceless videos but were scared off by the work involved, I honestly can't recommend Focusee enough. It's the perfect tool for course creators, marketers, YouTubers, really anyone who needs to make tutorials or software demos fast. If you want to give it a try for yourself, I have a link in the description below where you can download it and test it out. See if it can revolutionize your workflow the way it did for mine. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I'll be back soon with more reviews of incredible AI tools that can save you time and help you create better content. See you in the next one.